Are you looking for the best MIG welding glove? In this video, we will break down the top 6 MIG welding gloves on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1, Caiman 1878-521. These MIG welding gloves are made with deerskin exterior and all Kevlar stitching, which is expected from a pair of welding gloves. The other great element of these gloves is the very long cuffs. The gloves are 21 inches end to end, almost reaching up to your elbow. This is great for added protection, but keep in mind it might get hot under there with so little breathing space. These gloves will be decent enough for everyday welding protection from ambient heat and should withstand brief accidental touch burns, so they're a perfectly usable workaday pair of welding gloves for any circumstances. At number 2, Rapicca MIG Welding Glove. This is a leather forge welding glove. Though it is known for multi-purpose welding gloves, it is preferable for MIG welding. It features durability, extreme heat resistance, superior comfort, security and so on. The inner layer of this flame-retardant glove is made with 100% soft insulated cotton that is highly heat and cold resistance as well as a sweat absorbent. This feature ensures the comfortability and enhances your work speed. This 16-inch welding glove covers both fingers, palms, elbow, which is a great protective system. It has 4 layers of heat-resistant protection for more safety, and it can bear up to 932 F or 500 C temperatures. The sweat absorption of this glove helps to give a sweat-free hand while welding. In a word, this top-grade welding glove can be used without any safety worry. At number 3, Yuan 017. These extreme heat and fire-resistant gloves are made from cowhide, chosen specifically for a thickness over 1.2 mm, for softness and for flexibility. The thick leather of the glove has a good deal of fire resistance and provides a good physical barrier. They also work well for grinding. They're lined with thick, soft cotton, providing a great deal of comfort. But the gloves aren't great with extreme temperatures. They can't be in constant contact with high-temperature metal like a fresh weld or something that's just been ground heavily. The gloves are very sturdy, using Kevlar stitching, reinforcing patches and incorporating heavy denim cuffs. The 14-inch length provides safe coverage well up the forearm, and because they're made of such thick and soft material, they're comfortable and protect your hands well from the cuts, scrapes and bruises of long workdays in the welding environment. At number 4, Lincoln Electric K2979ALL. This popular pair of gloves is made of complete leather outside construction with high-grade split leather cowhide to protect against high temperatures. The gloves have come with a soft cotton liner to provide comfort and absorb moisture during use. The design features a high-grade leather exterior, Kevlar threading, leather-reinforced stress points and a fully lined interior to withstand daily exposure to heat, flames, spatter or sparks. The shape of the fingers are quite uniform and the leather is tough, so it won't provide the dexterity and touch sensitivity required for TIG welding. The soft cotton hand liner and straight thumb design of the glove enhances comfort and fingertip sensitivity. The inside cuff is lined with a twill cotton which absorbs moisture during use. At number 5, Miller 263343. These gloves are expensive but well worth it because of all the protective features. These gloves are excellent for MIG welders because of heat protection. The dexterity is superb as well. The double insulated layers provide the best heat protection for people exposed to high heat levels such as MIG welders. The palm has excellent heat protection because of its extra reinforcement. It is made from premium quality cow split leather, so it should last for a long time, even when you use it every day. The glove is quite flexible. You can move your thumbs easily, thanks to its wing thumb design. The inside is comfortable. It is lined with wool, so it doesn't just provide heat protection but comfort as well. At number 6, John Tillman TIL50L. These welding gloves are great for those who are looking for a driver's glove feel from a MIG glove. The 50L provides comfort, durability, and an added level of protection with a rough outside, leather palm and fingers, and reinforced thumbs. The high-quality cowhide palms are reinforced and extremely thick to provide as much protection and heat resistance as possible. However, they remain very soft to provide the necessary flexibility to grip various objects. The split cowhide back is the most durable section of the glove, and it resists spatter and sparks. That is not to say that the rest of the glove is not durable, though. The inner fleece lining provides superior comfort. It also adds extra heat and flame protection while maintaining a lightweight feel. However, these gloves are suitable for grilling, wood fire cooking, oil pipelines, shipyards, manufacturing, and much more.